index definition, index in a sentence, index pronunciation, index meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of index. 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 Index as a verb means to organize and record names or subjects, or to link the value of something. Common usages in academic writing: to prepare an index, to build an index, to index the files, to index the records. Example sentences: index, verb. The materials used had to be indexed to speed up production times. Example sentence number 2. Collect your data and then index your findings before submitting your report. Example sentence number 3. Living expenses will be indexed with inflation. Please write a sentence using index in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of index, the meaning of index, and index example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.